test drive the 2020 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.